Geezer, back with another video. Today, we're going to be making a foam core katana slash ninja sword. I've been putting this off for a while, so might as well do it now. I also wanted to do a YouTube video on it, so yeah. I made this knife before, and so this was like a practice of foam core. And so, well, I'm going to be making a katana. It's going to be 39 inches long. I can barely get it on screen for you guys, but it's really not bad. There. It's gonna be like that big. Bigger than the piece of foam core I have. And well, you can buy foam core at the dollar store. It's about, actually I know how much it is. It's $1.50 at the dollar store. It's nice size. It's nice size. It's It's 20 by 30 inch, and then the thickness is 3/16. I just rounded everything up to 1/4. So I'm using this one measurement as a quarter thick, even though it's 3/16. It's a 16th off, right? So all my measurements are like proper, or to the quarter, to the nearest quarter. Yeah. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna try and record this whole thing. This will be broken up into many parts. You guys might, hopefully don't have to see that. So yeah, let's get on the way. I'm gonna possibly try and talk during this, but you know, I doubt it. I doubt I'll be able to. Alrighty. Let's fully get started. By the way, I know I said I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna try and make this like a 20-minute video. At the end I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to be referencing this a lot, so if I'm not doing anything, I'll be looking at it. I also probably won't be saying much because I'm trying to focus, but yeah, you know, the normal stuff that YouTubers who make stuff do. Move this back so you can see something of what I'm doing. At the moment, I am literally just making my starting lines so that I can start creating. Nothing special. You just use a pencil. Oh, I marked that wrong. Am I a smart person? Not really. Ha ha ha. I knew it looked a little off. Gotta mark. There. I'm going to be looking at the screen quite a bit if you don't see, it only allows me to record in 8 video parts. I mean 8 video, 8-minute sections. So I'm going to be watching up to hopefully stop it and then make it look good. I'm also just using a pencil. I'm using a carpenter pencil now. I do have a marker for the more lines that I have to cut. I have an X-Acto blade to cut those lines. I'm just going to be drawing them out now and writing what they are. This is something you guys can, if you decide to make something. I know some of you out there, like Kevin out there, might make something. Yeah, I just labeled that guard. That's my Katana guard. On here, I'm gonna alter it a bit. This used to be 41 inches, but the blade wouldn't actually fit on here. That was a 33-inch blade, but this is only a 30 by 20, so 33 actually doesn't fit. And it was a little too long, too, so. I know, can't have anything too long. Wow. I'm like a weird person. Alright, then I need 4 pieces for the handle. And the handle is what? 8 inches, 3 8-inch, sorry, 4 8 by 1 3/4 inch. 8 by 3 1/4, 8. 1 3/4. I want to see if I can get it all the way along here. I don't think I will be, but, you know, it's worth a try. 1 3/4. And you go there, that would be 1 1/2. No, I can't. Okay, yeah, so we'll just make them up and down this way, too. That edge. I don't want to use that edge. I guess I could use this edge here. Yeah. You know, I'll make 2 out of this part. Alrighty then. So right now I've just changed my device. It's my iPod, not my phone, because my phone won't allow me to do more videos, apparently. Apparently it doesn't want me to succeed in life. So I said, no friggin' way. There I measure over 8 inch, because I need to make 4 of those, yeah. So I'd work perfectly if I measure them up over there. This went more happy than I thought it would. This went much, much better. Oh, but that comes to there, okay. One 1 3/4. That would add up to 3 1/2. Is that right? 3 1/2. Hold on, let me try this. 1 1/2 times 2 is 3. Yeah, 3 1/2, right? 3 1/2. Yeah, 3 1/2. That's what I thought. That, it might be a little hard to see. Let me angle it up so far for what I've done. It still might be hard to see. I drew out some things in pencil. Boom. See? This is what I needed for the handle. I can save all of this. I'm going to cut this out now. I think I'm going to put, what's this called? Marker on the lines that show the difference between the 2 different parts. Oh yeah, and to hold it all together, since I'm making it in parts, I'm literally just using this original tacky glue. It's really nice. That's how I made this. The only reason there's tape around here is so that, like, I don't know, so that when I hit it didn't rip off like here. See, it's starting to come, but like, if you pull that apart, it's really hard and there's no tape there. So that's why I'm using that, but yeah, I'm just using like separate parts. So between the handles, I'm not going to draw this line, but between the guard and the handle, I am. I'm just doing it, and I'm just doing it. Finally, words work for my own memory, and that way I have all of this for next time. So let's move a good board, this giant one, for later. And yeah, this build I am starting on Tuesday. It will, trust me, it will not be a short time. It is what time right now? 3:26 on Tuesday. The North, the Norfolk, what's it called? I know, I have it in my head. Fair. Yeah, that thing. That day. And I'm just, at the moment, I'm gonna really quickly grab a ruler, which I have in this room. Actually, I might not need to grab a ruler, because I have this thingy. My level. That I can use as a straight edge. Line it up. Start it there. And when you're cutting foam core, you want to start by score. That's the word, score. You want to just lightly score it, so that you have a line to follow. And then after that, am I even in the picture? Yes, I am. I'm going to move it up a bit so you guys can see. And that way you can just really small and carefully saw into it. I'm doing this little section because I messed up on it. And then you can go back to doing the little saw bits. Now you just skip it. And then you can wait till you get the rest done. And look at the back and cut it from there. So, see on the back, if you look, there are those gaps in between. What you're going to do is you're going to take your tool that you decided to use, and you're just going to put the blade through and cut all the way through. And then hopefully you'll be able to take your whole blade, stick it through one side and go all the way down. It's gonna take some effort because reasons that at the moment my brain isn't thinking of. But yeah, you make it all the way there and go back. And you come and you continue doing that for the whole time. And then if I remember, I might speed up this cutting process. You know what? I probably will. So, good job. Number 1 for guard. It's gonna be when the full blade's out. That'll be laying there. To blade out that side and handle it that side. I'm trying to make it like a two-handed weapon. This is gonna be 3 times the thickness as it is right now. So here we go. We're gonna continue Time-consuming and delicate process. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to make this into separate parts of a video, like part 1, part 2, part 3. I could do that. I could possibly not do that. I don't know. I might ask some of you guys. You guys will know when this comes out, if it'll be in parts or not. Because I would have asked. Because I will have asked you. Is that proper English? I think so. Remember, I'm not good at English. Me doing good at English is getting a 75. I mean, it's not bad, but like, some people are like, 75? What? I'm like, yeah. People are like, you're an academic student, right? I'm like, yeah. They're like, what's your English mark? I'm like, 75. They're like, I thought you said you were academic. I'm academic. And everything except for English, even though I take academic English. So, yeah. Alright. This thing isn't working too well as I thought it was going to work. So I need to find another straight edge. This work. That'll be too heavy. Well, this stuff that I'm doing right now is like really boring. Because like, literally, I'm just finding a straight edge like this. And I can line it up. The only reason I stopped the only reason I stopped using the level is because it had a magnet on it. So that was actually messing up my guide for my blade. So, yeah, move that over a bit. If you're really patient, you can do it on the now for everything. Just make long, obnoxious, time-consuming, kind of sometimes boring cuts. But this actually might be the proper way to do it. So, I'm actually going to do it now. And you want to try and keep your hand as straight as possible. Now, I think I know, I've gone through at some points, almost all the points. I got a little bit more work to do right here. So I'm going to focus on that area. You can actually somewhat hear it, listen. This sound here, that's the part you need to cut. Alright, so that part's good now. Alright. I think I've got it. Let's see. Just about. Now I need to do this bit here. Sometimes you'll see me not use a straight edge. That's just because either I don't need one or I don't want to use one. Most of the time, if you're really smart, not like me, you'll use one. So, yeah. And then if I did this right, any moment, this will just pop off like that. See, now that's half of how thick the guard's going to be. So that'll fold over and whatnot. So I'm glue it together. I have to cut a hole in the center. And I'll be turning it like that so that you can't see the word guard when I actually make that attachment. See, I'm enjoying this myself. One, because I actually have a video going up. You guys probably like it because I'm actually doing something. That's the post world, right? Yeah, I'm actually kind of happy because I didn't realize my iPod, which is what I'm using now, which has burst graphics. Then my phone here, burst graphics, and this guy here. I have a text. No, I don't. I have something from Instagram. I got something from Instagram? Hey. Yeah, that's my accent. I'm not sure which accent. But yeah, it has worse than that, but it's time. It's already at 25 minutes. I haven't had to stop this video that you're seeing now, at this moment. The first part, up until when I decided to draw the handle, is actually from my phone. You'll probably see a, what do you call it? You'll probably see a quality drop. Yeah. Yeah, you'll see a quality drop. Okay. That's good. Bam. And that'll be turned like that. I'm just gonna go with this. So I've named one guard top, guard bottom, and guard mid.
the guard middle is the middle because it's the worst looking of the three pieces. So you're not going to necessarily look for that. But yeah, this is how thick the guard's going to be. So that'll lay on my hand like that. If I set up right. Like that, bam. Right, and then there'll be something 2 pieces thick sticking up from it, like that. And then there'll be something 4 pieces thick that I'll be holding on to. Yes. Alright, so now I'm going to put these 3 pieces away in my storage area for them. Which, just happened to be right behind the camera. Ooh, before I do that, I'm also thinking of making a huntsman knife, that foam core. And I have all the pieces here that I'll need. I'll just, and each piece will be 1 inch thick, or 1 thickness of that. So I think this piece will be perfect for that. So hopefully stay tuned for that. I think I'll make my channel one of the, like every, not demanded for a date or a time or whatnot channel. I know this will be random, because I can't necessarily say, if I say I'm going to put a video up every Wednesday, this might take 2 full weeks, because of, what do you call it? Like multiple times having to make it. I don't make this now. Put that away. But yeah, so my channel is just going to be like a do it when you can, don't be forced kind of channel. So if you're looking for uploads constantly, not going to happen. Sorry. Most Canadian and most powerful word ever. So yeah, you guys should comment in this video if you think me doing that huntsman, the foam core huntsman knife is a good idea. That'll probably be my second build after this one. I know I don't have many subscribers, but even just getting a few of you guys' opinion is nice, because that way I can say, oh yay, these people are constantly watching. This is really weird. I have my iPod like, let me actually measure with this. If you guys can see that. You guys are about 15 meters. No, inches off the ground. And this thing, no, you guys are 14, 15 inches off of this thing. And this thing is like 35 inches off the ground. So for me to actually look, I have to go like this and be like, yo, this to me kind of looks like I'm looking properly, but that's the proper way to look, but I can't do that because I make this up enough. I would have to look like that. Hello. But that's upside down, which is why I'm not going to do it. And I'm just wasting a lot of time explaining that. Yeah, I don't know. This is my channel. This is how I do YouTube. And then if you guys can see this, you might not be able to, but yeah, you can. This part here that I'm not using, I keep in case I have to break off a piece that big and use it as like a support or something. Like, oh, you guys can't even see the side of the table, so yeah, I'm not seeing. So I keep all the scrap pieces from this. It's not expensive, but like, it's nice if you don't have to go out and buy another bit of it. You guys should always share this video. Share this to people who you guys know, if you know people. If you're subscribed to other channels, be like, yo, check out this video, mine's video, on how to build something. And then yeah. I literally started making this at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, something like that. It's already been half an hour. Actually, it's a little longer than half an hour. It's been about 40 minutes. I will shorten this video down. I did not know it was going to be this long. So, yeah, it's taken me 40 minutes just to be done the guard and the handle. I still have to do the blade and the time that it takes to glue and glue it, and then make my final adjustments and whatnot, and fix it up and whatnot. I said whatnot like 8 times in a sentence. I think that's a new record. I hope it is. That's a world record. That's actually something cool. Imagine if that was a record that I've beaten already. I mean, I have beaten a world record before. It's never been recorded, like officially. But it's how many jumping jacks you can do in a minute. And I beat it. So, yeah, if you guys should search that up and comment what the record is. And I might, and I will, if you guys can do that. Time something, try and beat it. I'm gonna get someone else to help. It might even be one of you guys. You will know because you'll be helping me with it. Yeah. Haha, that's done. Now I can save this for later. So you can always get like a good cut like this, or a good series of cuts. Alright, I got 4 minutes about to do this one last line, and then I'm gonna end it here and start editing the video, and then we'll work on the next part. Which is, if you didn't know,
the blade. No, I'm actually not sure what exactly I'm making. Like if I'm making a ninja sword or a katana. So, there we go. And guess what? That is gonna be it for this part of the video. What have we completed? Literally only 4 pieces of the handle of foam core. And and 3 parts of the guard. This is really weird. It takes a lot of time to make this. So, hope you guys liked this. If you did, you know, hit that like button. And it also helps if you subscribe and share this video. So, I'll see ya later.